This is Gary Q from the Retrofit Shop, and in this video, I'd like to show you the DIY way to properly align or aim your headlights. If your headlights are properly aimed, you get the maximum output from your lighting system and you don't glare oncoming traffic. With a few basic tools, you can aim your headlights the same way car manufacturers do it with expensive equipment. This is how you do it. To start, you need to park your car on a level ground facing a wall, and the distance from the headlights to the wall should be 25 feet. This is around 8 to 9 full steps. Then check that you have the correct tire pressure. And last is to make sure that your car is not loaded with anything heavy. So the first thing you do is you determine the upper cutoff of your headlight. And you do that by measuring the distance from the ground to the middle of your projector or the reflector bowl of your headlight. In this case, it's 40 inches. And whatever measurement you get, you mark it on the wall. So the distance from the ground to the middle of my projector is 40 inches. So I marked it on the wall. This is 40 inches. And deduct 2 inches and make another mark. So this is 38 inches. And you will see later the upper and the lower cutoff of your headlight output. So to begin with the adjustment, I turn on my headlights. This is the upper cutoff and this is the lower cutoff. This is the step down profile. You will see here the upper cutoff, there's a step down and the lower cutoff. So since we drive on the right side of the road, you won't glare oncoming traffic on the left. So my upper cutoff is at 40 inches. This is too high and I need to lower it 1.5 to 2.5 inches down. So your adjustment should be 38.5 to 38 inches. So to make the adjustment, you have to find the up-down adjustment screws. In my Ranger, it's on the top part of the headlight. You can see it here. And to adjust it, you have to turn it clockwise until it reaches 38 inches. So that's the up-down adjustment. And you go on the other side. And on the passenger side, the adjustment screw is here. So you also turn it clockwise until it reaches 38 inches. There you go. So my upper cutoff is at 38 inches. Low beam, high beam. You only adjust the low beam because once the low beams are adjusted, the high beams will follow. So after doing the up-down adjustment, your next adjustment is the side-to-side adjustment. It's a little bit tricky, but you can still do it. So the side-to-side adjustment is done to make sure that the headlight is parallel to the car. It's not bowed out or bowed in, or skewed like that, or skewed like that. So we will adjust it to make sure the headlight is properly aimed and parallel to your car. So you can see here that my driver's side projector is a little bit inside the width of the car, which is correct, since the projector is mounted on the headlight that way. So after making sure that my headlight on the driver's side is parallel to the car, I measure the distance from one projector to the next. So this is how you do it. You just measure from the middle of the projector, from the driver's side to the middle of the projector to the passenger side. So in my case, it's 56 inches. So take this measurement and mark it on the wall. So I have to mark 56 inches from my driver's side projector to the passenger side projector. So this is the middle of my driver's side projector, and I have to measure 56 inches from here to the other side, which should be the middle of my passenger side projector. It's 56 inches from this projector to the middle of the driver's side projector. And that's how you properly aim your headlights. And this type of alignment will apply to most headlights, including those with automatic up-down adjustments. So be a responsible motorist and adjust your headlights properly so that you don't glare oncoming traffic. This is Gary Q from the Retrofit Shop, and I'll see you in the next.